The de Havilland DH.88 Comet was a British twin-engine, two-seat racing aircraft developed by the de Havilland Aircraft Company specifically for the 1934 MacRobertson Air Race from England to Australia. Announced in 1933 to celebrate the centenary of the Australian state of Victoria, the race covered nearly 19,800 kilometers, about 12,303 miles, from Mildenhall to Melbourne. At the time, Britain lacked a modern high-speed aircraft capable of competing with advanced American monoplanes, and Geoffrey de Havilland saw the race as an opportunity to restore British prestige while advancing aerodynamic technology. Production was conditional on 3 firm orders, which arrived in time from Jim and Amy Mollison, hotel owner Arthur Edwards, and racing driver Bernard Rubin. Development progressed at remarkable speed, and the first prototype flew only 6 weeks before the race. Chief designer Arthur Ernest Hagg created an advanced all-wood cantilever low-wing monoplane with retractable landing gear, manually operated split flaps, an enclosed tandem cockpit, and variable pitch propellers. Its stressed skin spruce plank structure, bonded with synthetic resin, produced exceptional strength and smooth aerodynamic surfaces. Power came from 2 specially tuned de Havilland Gipsy 6R inverted 6-cylinder engines, while lightweight magnesium alloy components reduced drag. Fuel was carried in 3 fuselage tanks, giving the long range required for the race. 3 Comets entered the competition: the black Blackmagic GASP, the green GACSR, and the red Grosvenor House GACSS. Blackmagic led early but retired after engine damage caused by unsuitable fuel. GACSR suffered navigation errors and mechanical problems, but recovered to finish 4th. Grosvenor House, flown by Charles William Anderson Scott and Tom Campbell Black, overcame severe engine trouble, including flying part of the journey with one engine delivering reduced power, and reached Melbourne on the 23rd of October 1934 in 70 hours, 54 minutes, 18 seconds, winning the race and proving the effectiveness of British aircraft engineering. In total, 5 DH.88 Comets were built. After the race, they established numerous long-distance speed records and served as experimental high-speed mail aircraft. France purchased one and ordered another with a dedicated mail compartment, while Portugal operated a Comet for record attempts and postal service. The 5th aircraft, Boomerang, attempted several record flights before crashing in Sudan in 1935 after propeller failure, though its crew survived by parachute. Grosvenor House also served briefly with the Royal Air Force before returning to civilian racing, setting records on routes to Cape Town and New Zealand. Blackmagic was sold to Portugal as Salazar and later rediscovered after decades of obscurity. The Comet strongly influenced later de Havilland designs, particularly the famous DH-98 Mosquito of the Second World War, which inherited its lightweight wooden stressed skin construction and aerodynamic refinement. Today, 2 original aircraft survive: Grosvenor House, restored to flying condition with the Shuttleworth collection, and Blackmagic, undergoing long-term restoration with the goal of returning it to flight in its original 1934 racing configuration. More than 90 years after its debut, the DH-88 Comet remains one of Britain's greatest achievements in racing aircraft design and a landmark in aviation history.